Hello friends, in today's video, let's quickly explore yet another user research method called card sorting. So what exactly is card sorting? Card sorting is a UX research method in which participants groups the individual labels written on sticky notes according to category that make sense to them. This method actually helps to understand the user's mental model, and it serves to create an information architecture that matches with the user's expectations. So let's look at an example of cart sorting. Suppose there's an e-commerce site that you're creating, and under menu there are categories and subcategories. But example, if you're using some technical name or label for the subcategories or categories, but user might not aware of those technical terms or labels that is used to. By doing cart sorting, it helps to understand the user, the label which they understand. So what exactly term should we use for those subcategories or categories. So this is where the card sorting actually helps. Ask your users to organize the labels and match it with the groups that make sense to them. So now let's quickly look at the types of card sorting. So there are two types of card sorting. First one is open card sorting and the second one is closed card sorting. So the first one, the open card sorting, is the most common type of card sorting. In an open card sorting, users are free to assign whatever names they want to groups they have created with the cards on the sticky note. So participants get stacks of cards in the first step. In second, they sort the cards based on the groups which they think which is correct. Okay. And in the third, participants finally labels his or her groups. So under vehicles, bus, train and airplane subcategory belongs. And under the things that are green like grass, frogs, leaf that belong. So they define the name of the category as well also the subcategories. Whereas in the closed card sorting, the users are given a predetermined set of category names and they are asked to organize the individual cards into these predetermined categories. So the labels or the participants gets a stack of cards and the label, the category is already defined like natural, mechanical. The main category is already defined like your menu. Under natural, what are the labels or subcategories that fit into? That's what the user needs to define. So user will assign or stack those cards under natural category, and under mechanical he will align based on his or her mental model, bus, train, airplane. So participants sort cards into the groups the researchers have already created. Advantages of card sorting. So there are a couple of advantages of doing card sorting. It is very simple and cheap to run card sorting sessions. It's very quick to get research conducted and results back from users. Provides a good insight about the users, how they would expect the information be organized. While conducting card sorting, keep these couple of pointers in your mind. First one is when you're hiring participants for card sorting, it's always recommended to hire participants who represents the demographics of your intended users. The number of participants depends on the format of the card sorting, like open card sorting or closed card sorting. When you're conducting card sorting in person, you need around, on an average, 15 participants, and that would be enough to give you valuable qualitative data. Second most important thing, don't use card sorting as a replacement of usability testing. Card sorting is not a tool for testing usability. The goal of card sorting sessions is to discover how people think about and make sense of your information that you have created, not to understand whether they can or cannot find it in your design. So to summarize, card sorting is highly useful technique in information architecture. It is used to understand how users think about your content. It can help you organize content so that it suits your users' mental models rather than point of view of your company or what you want to portray to the users. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and if you have any comments, please share your comments below.